He's swagging. I don't know if you guys can see it, but he's swagging out there. But anyways, we are on the Rock River doing some walleye fishing. But yeah, we're just out here having a good time. It's very cloudy, you guys can see. It's overcast. It's not windy yet, so let's hope it doesn't get windy. But anyways, out here have some fun, do some walleye fishing. Just, you know, casting out some minnows, drifting minnows, sinking minnows, and popping some flies. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this series. Hopefully we catch a fish today and we can complete this whole like early spring walleye fishing. My dad really wants some walleyes. We haven't done any walleye fishing. I think this is actually his first time. Like his first time out on open water, out on the boat, out on the river, and hopefully we catch a fish or two for my dad. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button, leave comments down below, hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you guys. We're already on the water, but enjoy this video. Stay tuned. Alright, so I got the minnow sitting out there for my dad. He's fishing in the back. I gotta take that light pole down for him. You know, we're just out here having a good time. Ain't nothing special today. I mean, it's special to be with my dad, you know, because I love being with my dad, but I'm talking about like this specific wise, you know, just having a good time. Oh, yeah, I got one. Yep. There we go. I was just fixing my GoPro. Yep. But they're here, Dad. Ooh, yep. There you go, guys, on the red fly. Ooh, it's a sauger. Put one net. Yeah, look at the sauger. Oh, dude, he ate the fly good. Oh, geez, chill, relax. Relax. Look at that. He ate that thing good. Let me get the big camera out real quick. All right, guys, look. It's a nice sauger right there. Sauger, sawguy. The sawguy is a mixture of the hybrid, right? It's a walleye and a sauger. But this one, I believe it's a sauger, all right? See how you eat the fly right there? Completely destroy the red fly under the chartreuse eyes. Look at that. Off of that thing right there. Alright, so again, not an 18-incher, but it's a good start. It's a skinny, I'd say 15, 16. It spawned out, if anything, so I'm going to go ahead and release it. See ya, buddy. Oh, there I go. There we go. Just telling my dad. Oh, Dad, it's a nice fish. Oh, I need the net. Yep, I need the net, Dad. Oh gosh, it might be. I don't think it's a walleye. Cho. Nó chưa walleye à?
No.
Nope. Tôi walleye chỉ luôn nó chứ. Bà chế rồi. Yeah, bà này á. I was just telling my dad to put on his bib, put on my bib, so he stays nice and oh my god, what is this? Oh, it's under the boat. Oh jeez. I don't know. Catfish! Yeah! There you go. Nice, dude. Alright guys, just caught this nice channel here, but sadly it was a foul hook, so we're gonna let it go. Beautiful fish. I thought it was a giant walleye, but nope. See ya, dude. You know what was weird is that when I felt that first hit, it was light. So I'm okay, cool, I got one. And then I felt another thunk, and it was super heavy. So I'm wondering if I did catch a walleye and it went and snag a catfish, you know, like they kind of dispersed and they hooked each other. Yep. Oh, Dad, I got one. There we go. Yep. It's a small guy. Yeah. Yep. Right there. Oh, these are giants. Just kidding. No guy, going back. And Dad's on. 如果太有稀的，慢慢，那太弄稀。Okay, let's see.
Oh, one bass. Come on, one bass.
They got a white bass. Let's go.
There
There you go. Yeah, see? Nice.
Cái giá thì chỉ mua là chả mua tuột thế này à.
Yeah, I got one, Dad. Dad, I got one. Yep. But nice all. But nice. Yep. But, oh, Leia, yeah. But nice. You got one? I had a carp on. Down. Oh, it's a nice one, Dad. It's a big one. It's a real nice one. Yeah. Yeah. Tụi nó cầu gì không? Yeah. Tụi nó yên cầu gì? Yeah. Tụi nó yeah. The ball. I know for sure. Muốn chỗ đó. My dad just caught a nice one. Oh geez, I'm just gonna measure for him real quick. That's a nice, pretty walleye right there, Dad. We're gonna measure it. Yeah, look, almost 19 inches. Look, 18 and 3/4. 18 3/4. Yeah, good job. Oh look. Yeah. Oh, I got him, Dad. I got him. Oh, yeah. Yep, that's a big one, dude. That's a big one. Oh my gosh. Here. Oh, it's a nice one, Dad. Yep. I think it is. Stay down. I got it. Nice. 하나 집어올. 한번 줘라. That's a nice walleye. It's bleeding, that's for sure. Inhaled it.
Oh, got top, yeah.
Yep.
Oh,
there you go. So it's going back. Yep, see ya. Yeah, I got one. That's a nice one. Yep. Nope, minnow. I mean, yong. So light cut it. That's a big guy. There you go. Oh. Yeah, that's 18. Oh gosh, worked so hard for that thing. Yep. On the purple right there. See how big it is. Nope. Almost 18, just a hair shy. Like 17 and a hair shy. Yep. Okay. Going back. Chilua, small. Just deep. See? Oh, no, walleye. Yeah. Yep. Cho nó trúng số. Alright, guys. Just like that. Look at that. Tons of these. Lots of 12-15s, but still a ton of fun to fish for, you know? I mean, I'm out here with my dad. We're just having fun. Just catching them. Back to go. Oh, I got one. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yep. Nope. Same size. All day long. Same size all day long. Oh yeah, little guy.
Made the yao miao.
Yep.
Có lỗ.
Nope. Decent. Bigger.
Quay back.
Walleye.
Có lo rồi à?
But not big enough. Good 15, that's for sure. Good 15 inch. The fish going back. Nếu có tay biết tụi bạn bên gì không? Oh, hà lại. Bạn béo.
Đi nó tới ở lại.
Yeah.
You mà sao giờ chứ? Lại béo.
Nhậu cơ.
Walleye.
Oh, that's a nice one. He's getting smaller. Oh, the sauger. Oh, they got the sauger. Oh, see? Oh, tôi trông con một ngày. Đi up here.
Nó sóng cửa.
Tôi got sauger. Your dad is out. He's on fire. Fish are back. I'm trying to retie. Mày à? Yeah.
Walleye. Cái theo Walleye mà tuôn vô lên nó.
Yep. Tôi got chúng một lì mi.
And on the day mà sao liao?
Yeah. Yep, that's what we're dealing with right there. Okay, ngang luôn. There you go. Sheesh. Good job, Dad. Clutch. I popped clutch, man.
Có trâu nó đâu trời.
Yep, có được không? Có cái. Yeah. Yeah, that's a nice one. Oh, jeez. That's a big fish. Oh, that's a really big fish. Oh, dude. Yeah, one there. That's a big fish. I don't know what it is. That's a really big walleye. Yep. That's a big fish. Yeah, yep. That's a keeper right there. Oh, I got two. Oh, snap. Got 2 big walleye. Got 2, dude. Oh shit. Got 2, yep. I got 2 walleye. Go on, go. There we go. Let's go, dude. Damn. We got 2, yeah. Oh, dang. Dude, we got I got 2 walleyes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I was like, why is it fighting so weird? Alright, this guy gotta go. So this guy's going back. And look at this tank right here. Oh, dude, that's crazy. Oh my gosh. Damn, look at that. Annihilated. Gosh, dude, look at that. Destroyed. That's a 19 and a half, so that's perfect. That big one right there. Oh my gosh, that is a nice fish. Dang, dude. Smack that giant. Holy cow. No wonder, I was like, why is it running so weird? Like, this fish is huge, and I had double. This is crazy, dude. Oh my gosh. Alright guys. Calm down a little bit because there was like 3 or 4 boats around me, and they passed down the river, right? And I was just kind of like, okay, whatever, no big deal. Wow, just wow. First double up of the year. I can't even talk because I'm so like I'm still kind of shaky right now. Dude, let me show you guys this fish again. It's crazy, man. Oh my god, it's huge. You guys don't know, regulation out here went up to 18 and over only for 3. And just to catch one decent one like this, that is pretty darn cool. That's a nice fish for this river right here. It's a perfect fish. So yeah, check that thing out. It's so cool. Put it back in the well. This is crazy because, like, if you think about it, we're catching it off of this little thing, this little fly right here. Okay, you guys can see this little thing right here. It's so small, so finesse. I mean, it imitates a bait fish, right? That's what we're trying to do. It's overcast, it's cold out, and I'm just in awe because I did not expect that at all. Like, to double up and it's a big fish. That's crazy. It feels good. We got 2 in the well with a couple white bass. We got a meal going here, so stay tuned and keep chucking it away, and hopefully we catch 1 or 2 more. So stay tuned. That's a nice one. Yep. Actually, look up. I don't know. Game over. Yep. Still a nice fish. Oh. Still a nice walleye. Gee, relax. Chill, chill. Oh, jeez, it popped off. Relax. Alright, see ya, dude. Oh, jeez. Goodness. Alright, guys, so that is a wrap for today. Started to rain, as you guys can see. It's coming out pretty good, but we want to stay and wait. The wind is supposed to pick up later. We just said, you know, screw it. Let's just head out. And we had an awesome day. It was fun. Just, you know, kind of like a father and son kind of deal. Great time. Pops. Got some nice walleyes. So, with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more spring walleye fishing, you guys will see more spring walleye fishing. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and comment down below. Hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next adventure. Stay tuned.